We are looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as how to say more interesting and confusing words, and some of the most mispronounced ones too in English, so make sure to stay tuned for that. So how do you say it? In British English, because the American pronunciation is different, this is said as pork, pork. In American English, however, it is usually pronounced as pork, pork in American English versus pork in British English. And now you know it all. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thank you kindly for your support. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more words and names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. Do you know how to pronounce those correctly? You will after watching this. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.